That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Good leave. There is a fielder at cover. That's 6. Picked up the length very early. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Oh, what a shot that is. He picked the bones out of that and just nailed it down the ground for 4.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
And he helps himself to a 6. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
He was poking at it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. Slips in place. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Poking at it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. one high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for a six. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
Can you do it again? In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. Inform fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music.
There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
That's six. He picked up the length very early.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
What a catch! That is brilliant bowling. The batsman had a poke at it and he's gone. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. strokes it into the gap for a single. Pacer introduced from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? And he helps himself to a 6. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Last ball of the innings coming up. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.